Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for financial tips and educational resources. If you're a student or planning to go back to school, today's video is a must-watch. We're diving into everything you need to know about the FAFSA for the 2025 to 26 academic year. So let's get started. First things first, what exactly is FAFSA? The Free Application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA, is a free form that allows students to apply for federal financial aid. This aid can come in the form of grants, loans, and scholarships to help cover the costs of college or career schools. Now, let's talk about the timeline. The Department of Education released the FAFSA form for the 2025 to 26 academic year on November 21, 2024, which is 10 days earlier than their initial goal of December 1. This is great news because getting your application in early can increase your chances of receiving aid. Remember, the form must be submitted by June 30, 2025. And for Indiana residents, the priority deadline is April 15. However, even if you miss the deadline, you should still submit your FAFSA as soon as possible. Last year, the Department of Education faced significant challenges with the FAFSA rollout, releasing the form on December 30 instead of the usual October 1. But they've learned from their mistakes and have revamped their contact center to better serve students and families. They've increased staffing by nearly 80% and will continue to add more agents. The contact center now offers extended hours, including evenings and weekends, to assist you better. These extended hours will be available until March 2, and you can find more details on their official website. In exciting news, a newly passed bill called the FAFSA Deadline Act, authored by Rep. Aaron Houchin of Indiana, mandates that the Department of Education make the FAFSA available by October 1 in future years. This means you'll have even more time to prepare your application and secure financial aid. Filling out the FAFSA form is straightforward if you know what you need. Here's what you'll need to get started. Student aid account. Both the student and the contributors, which could be a parent, spouse, or legal guardian, need to create a student aid account. You'll need Social Security numbers or alien numbers for non-U.S. citizens. Personal information. You'll need Social Security numbers or alien numbers for non-U.S. citizens. Financial documents. Gather your tax returns, current checking and savings account balances, and other financial information. You can choose to fill out the FAFSA form online through the official FAFSA website or print it out and mail it in. Personally, I recommend filling it out online for quicker processing. Once you've started your application, the next step is confirming your dependency status. After that, you'll need to invite your contributors by providing their name, date of birth, email address, and SSN. It's crucial to have all your contributors ready before you begin to ensure a smooth application process. As you fill out the form, expect to answer questions about your personal circumstances, demographics, and financial situation. You can also choose to send your FAFSA information to up to 20 schools, which is great for maximizing your financial aid opportunities. After both you and your contributors complete the FAFSA, it will be submitted for processing. The Department of Education will then review your application to determine your eligibility for various financial aid options. For Indiana residents, remember that the priority deadline is April 15. However, even if you miss this deadline, it's still important to submit your FAFSA by June 30, 2025 to be considered for financial aid. Here are a few final tips to ensure your FAFSA application goes smoothly. Start early. Don't wait until the last minute to start your application. Double-check information. Ensure all your information is accurate to avoid delays. Seek help if needed. Utilize the revamped contact center if you have any questions or need assistance. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you started your FAFSA application for this year? What challenges have you faced, or what tips can you share? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We're here to help each other out. Have you started your FAFSA application yet? Let us know in the comments. If you want to dive deeper into how you can access grants that never need to be paid back, make sure to visit our website at easycashtrend.com. We've got a wealth of resources to help you secure the financial aid you deserve. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Click the link below to learn more and take the first step toward funding your education without the burden of repayment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and educational content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay informed and take control of your financial future.